Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today is the day 1 of 5-minute 5 days morning stretch challenge, just to create an habit for you to stretch daily just after waking up. So let's get started. Place your hands on your knees and inhale, arch your back, open up your chest forward. Exhale, round your back, touch your chin to your chest. Again, inhale, exhale. Once more, inhale, exhale, round. Now, place your left hand on your right knee and bend towards the left side. Be gentle with yourself. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now switch side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now bend forward. Place your head on the bed or on the ground. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now come to butterfly pose. Feet together. Move your knees up and down. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Again, bend forward. You can pulse it. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now straighten your left leg to the front and place your left elbow on the ground or on the bed. Right arm goes up and bend towards the left side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now again come to butterfly pose. Now straighten the right leg. Inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, right elbow on the ground and twist towards the right side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now lie down on your back. Hug your knees. Rock side to side. Now place your right foot on the ground. Lift your left leg and hold the outside of your shin on your knee and flex and point your toes. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 point, and try to bring it closer to your chest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it down, switch side. Interlace your fingers at the back of your knee and flex and point the toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Pull the leg closer to you. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Leg down, hands beside your hips. Lift up your hips. 1, 2, 3, hold it here, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring it down. Hug your knees once again. Rock side to side. Now straighten both of your legs. And again bend the right knee. Twist it towards the left side. Look towards the right side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it to the center. Switch side. Hug the left knee. Twist towards the right. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring it to the center. And we are done. This much for today. And I hope to see you again tomorrow.